In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph in Excel. Whether you're preparing a presentation, organizing data, or just want to visually represent information for better analysis and understanding, knowing how to create charts in Excel is an invaluable skill. Let's get started and breeze through the simple yet crucial process in just a few minutes. First things first, go ahead and open Microsoft Excel on your computer. If you already have a workbook with data ready, feel free to use that. Otherwise, you can create a blank workbook. Once you are in, the first thing we'll need is the data that you want to display as a bar graph. Take a moment to enter your data into the spreadsheet. Make sure your data is organized into two columns, one for the categories and the other for values. For clarity, it's a good practice to have headers for each column so you can easily track what each column represents. With your data entered, the next step is to select it. Click and drag your cursor to highlight all of the data, including the headers in both the category and value columns. This will tell Excel exactly which data you want to include in your bar graph. Now shift your attention to the ribbon at the top of the Excel window and navigate to the Insert tab. This is where you'll find various options for adding different types of charts and visual elements to your spreadsheet. Within the Insert tab, you'll see a section labeled Charts. Look for the bar chart icon here. You might notice it among options such as pie charts, line charts, and so forth. Click on the bar chart icon and you'll be presented with a few variations to choose from. Typically, the clustered bar chart is a solid choice for straightforward comparisons, but feel free to explore the other styles. Once you click, Excel will automatically generate a bar graph based on the data you've selected. It's a remarkable way to see your numbers take form visually, almost instantly. Now that Excel has generated your bar graph, it's time to customize it. This is where you can add your personal touch or adapt the graph to fit the style and requirements of your presentation. You can move the chart around your sheet if it's blocking other data, or resize it by dragging the corners if you need it to fit a specific space. Also, consider customizing the colors and fonts to match your brand or presentation theme. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bar graph in Excel. With these steps, visualizing your data should be both efficient and effective. So go ahead, explore different data sets, and create more visualizations with confidence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you build your skills in Excel.